Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Stepn is a venture that acquired huge consideration with its novel item depiction. The GTM digital currency itself sent off in March 2022. From that point forward, the task's local area has developed considerably. This prompted the interest of the overall population also. All the more unequivocally, many individuals are pondering Stepn's cost expectations for the impending year, mostly in light of the fact that the task looks encouraging. This is precisely exact thing we will zero in on in this video. Nonetheless, we will likewise discuss Stepn exhaustively, how to purchase Stepn, its set of experiences, and so on. What is Stepn? Stepn is, prior to whatever else, a Internet 3.0 application, or as the site expresses, a Web3 way of life application with social-fi and game-fi components, which depends on the Solana blockchain. The primary objective in the game is to travel distance, in actuality. Stepn then keeps tabs on your development and prizes you with tokens, contingent upon the amount you've run. Notwithstanding, the stunt here is that you want to purchase a shoe NFT. These NFTs right now go for around 4 to 5 Sol. The ongoing floor cost for a tennis shoe NFT is 3.29 Sol. With Solana's ongoing cost of around $30–40, this outcomes in the least expensive NFT being around $100–130. In light of the idea of Stepn, individuals allude to it as a move to procure application. We can concur with that assertion. Be that as it may, we'd add an unexpected surprise and transform it into a compensation to move to procure. We accept this is a smidgen more exact. By the by, you can in any case buy GMT tokens through most major crypto trades. If you have any desire to figure out how to purchase GMT, simply look to our devoted area beneath. As per the authority Stepn site, it plans to change the wellness market with regards to applications by boosting individuals to lead a better way of life. How does Stepn work? Since Stepn awards you crypto prizes for voyaging a specific distance, it needs a legitimate strategy to keep tabs on your development. That, however, it should be exceptionally precise. If not, it won't be fair similarly to everybody. This is conceivable in light of the fact that the Stepn application figures out how to tackle a tremendous issue, which is presently begat evidence of movement by lovers. That aids in demonstrating that clients truly practice and don't just shake their cell phones. There are further designs to present social awards as a component of their framework. Besides, they are searching for ways of adding to carbon non-partisanship and, surprisingly, become a carbon-negative organization. Presently, how about we return to how Stepn precisely functions and what you ought to consider. As a matter of some importance, every sneaker NFT accompanies an alternate speed limit. This intends that assuming you dip under a specific speed, you will not be able to procure rewards. Right now, there are 3 unique sorts of tennis shoes: walk, 1 to 6 km per hour / 0.6 to 3.72 miles per hour, jog, 4 to 10 km per hour / 2.5 to 6.2 miles per hour, and run, 8 to 20 km per hour / 5 to 12.5 miles per hour. These will likewise concede you an alternate measure of crypto prizes, or all the more explicitly, the GST, Stepn's in-game just token. The application works out the GST you procure for each moment of development. Be cautious, nonetheless, in light of the fact that the application has a characteristic development finder, which we really do know a piece about, yet it is said that it can undoubtedly see through mechanical developments, like moving utilizing a bike. More on this can be tracked down in the venture's white paper. Another significant element is that the time you can acquire is restricted by your in-game energy. This decides how long you can utilize Stepn and procure compensations in a solitary meeting. The energy you have is firmly associated with the number of and what sort of sneaker NFTs you have. Can Stepn reach $5? Stepn is a venture that accompanies a ton of utility, creativity, and validness. This is the very thing that numerous financial backers love about it. Proprietors are hopeful about the advancement of the organization once the market balances out. That is the reason so many accept the cost won't just reach $5 yet go past. Be that as it may, we should consider it briefly. The ongoing cost of Stepn is around 60 cents. This implies it will require a more than 8x expansion to arrive at a value assessment of $5. With an ongoing business sector cap of $354 million, this will bring about another market cap of almost $3 billion, which is totally feasible. For this reason we accept Stepn will reach $5. Be that as it may, the outcomes won't come at any point in the near future. To start with, we really want to see market adjustment. This will occur after the tactical contentions in Europe get settled. Up to that point, the market will continue to be tumultuous and negative. As may be obvious, on the 13th of June, we have Bitcoin to drop down underneath $25,000. This will prompt much more apprehension, and financial backers will begin selling. Subsequently, the cost of most tokens will continue to drop. However, financial backers consider this to be a chance to collect tokens. That is on the grounds that they realize that once the market balances out, they will have huge increases. They likewise accept this is where the enormous cash is made because of the gigantic rate gain that these tokens will see once the adjustment occurs. So when is Stepn going to reach $5? We accept Stepn will surely reach $5. Yet it will require something like one more year or two, assuming we are being moderate. Nonetheless, on the off chance that the worldwide issues are before long settled, the cycle can be abbreviated, yet in the event that they continue, it can take even a more drawn-out period. 2022. For 2022 explicitly, there are two things that can influence the GMT cost more than anything. These eventual the goal of the contentions in Europe or their acceleration. On the off chance that things settle down, we can anticipate that the cost of Stepn should go up to $1.18 or more. Remember that this is a fairly safe future cost of GMT. Then again, assuming the struggles further heighten, we can see an extra drop on the lookout. This will influence the cost of Stepn, and it could go for around 32 cents. 2023. Things are comparative with 2023, albeit the greatest element here will be the manner by which took on digital currencies will be, by individuals as well as by locales and organizations. We accept that the symbolic will begin recovering its previous prime and go up to around $1.85 or even $2.25. Then again, we could likewise see a market stagnation, which will prompt GMT being assessed at around $1.15. 2024. Expecting the market quiets down a bit, we will see just a slight change in the lower and upper reaches. That would be around a 20% increase or 10% drop in cost. The most extreme cost will be somewhere close to $2.60 and $3.50.